In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to blur any object in DaVinci Resolve, and to show you that I have taken a footage which is having a face and we're gonna track the face and then blur it. So to show you, let me just go into DaVinci Resolve quickly, open a project in DaVinci Resolve and then bring the clip in timeline. After that, go to color page, and in color page I have done some simple corrections to this video and I will create one more node. And then after that, what I will do is I will just come here on this window and then click on, and then I will make it just as small as her face is, something like this. Now I have to track this, and to track this I will come on tracker, click on it, and then come here and then click on track forward. After you are done with the tracking, simply go to effects, search for blur, and then go on mosaic blur and drag and drop. Your face is now having that blur, and you can track any other object in DaVinci Resolve and put a blur on that. This is how easy it is to track first of all anything in DaVinci Resolve and then apply any effect on that. For example, I applied blur, you can apply any effect. And I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing videos like this.